Welcome to had6 channel. In this video, we will look into solidarity. 6 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Consensus. Which means a general agreement. Consensus. For example, the consensus was that the government should act now. Number 2. Unity. Which means the state of forming a complete and harmonious whole, especially in an artistic context. Unity. For example, their leaders called for unity between opposing factions. Number 3. Unanimity. Which means agreement by all people involved. Unanimity. For example, we have achieved a degree of unanimity. Number 4. Camaraderie. Which means mutual trust and friendship among people who spend a lot of time together. Camaraderie. For example, the enforced camaraderie of office life. Number 5. Cohesion. Which means the action or fact of forming a united whole. Cohesion. For example, the work at present lacks cohesion. Number 6. Harmony. Which means the state of being in agreement or concord. Harmony. For example, the villagers live together in harmony. If you have better examples in mind, please share them in the comment section below. It is now the time to hit the subscribe button.